Okay, let's look at volume and surface area of several figures. So on this slide, you can see several different shapes. We're going to talk about um, objects and talk about the volume, which is what's inside, and the surface area, which means the outside covering, the area. We're going to start with a box, okay, sometimes called a rectangular prism. The volume of a box is length times width times height. That will give us the amount in the box. Surface area, remember we have two sides that are the same here. These two sides will be the same. The top and the bottom will be the same, okay? So we're going to do 2 times the length and the width, 2 times the length times the height, and 2 times the height times the width. That will cover all 6 sides of the box. So let's start with volume. So volume is going to be equal to the length, which is 14, times the width, which is 7, times the height, which is 5. When you multiply all that out, you get 490. And you guys, this is going to be cubic centimeters. Volume is cubic, so it would have a little 3 up there. Surface area is squared, but volume is cubic. Now let's deal with the surface area. Okay, so the surface area is going to be equal to 2 times, we're using this formula, length, which is 14, times the width, which is 7, plus 2 times, we're doing this part, length times height. The length is 14, the height is 5, plus the last one says 2 times the height times the width. The height is 5, and the width is 7. So if you multiply 2 times 14 times 7, you get 196. Plus 2 times 14 times 5 is 140. Plus 2 times 5 times 7, that doesn't look like a 7, but it is 70. And when you add all that up, you get 406. And remember, this one is square centimeters. When you're talking surface area, it's centimeters squared.